Today, we will know more about India. India is part of the continent of Asia. Most of India forms a peninsula, which means it is surrounded by water on three sides. Let's see the facts. Official name: Republic of India Bharat. Form of government: United Republic. Capital: New Delhi. Population: 1,029,68,34,042. Official languages: Hindi, English, and 21 others. Money: rupee. Area: Major mountain: Himalaya. Major rivers: Ganga, Yamuna, Indus, and Brahmaputra. Now we will know about geography of India. The world's highest mountain range, the Himalaya, rises in the north. The southeast is bordered by Bay of Bengal, and the southwest is bordered by the Arabian Sea. India's territory varies widely, from the Thar Desert in the west of the jungles in the northeast. A fertile area called the Ganga Plain covers much of northern India. This formation was created from soil that was deposited by rivers running from the Himalaya. In some places, this layer of silt is over 25,000 feet deep. Now we will know about people and culture of India. Society throughout India is divided into social ranks called castes. Caste is determined by birth and there is almost no way to change it. High caste include elder landowners and soldiers. So-called untouchables have no caste and do the most humble jobs. India is a very spiritual country. It has no official religion. But more than 80% of Indians are Hindus. About 13% are Muslims and Christians. Other religions include Buddhism, Sikhism, and Jainism, which all began in India. Now we will see about Indian nature. For thousands of years, since the Hindu religion first involved respect for animals, life has been an important part of Indians' beliefs. Cows in particular are scared and cannot be harmed. They are even allowed to wander through city streets, which often causes traffic jams. India's varied climate zones support about 65 animal species, including elephant, python, river dolphin, and rhinos, and 12,000 types of flowering plants. It is the only country in the world with both lions and tigers. It's also a bird watcher's paradise. On the coast of Bay of Bengal, it is Sundarbans, the world's largest mangrove forest. Here tigers swim in the same river as dolphins, sea turtles, sharks, and saltwater crocodiles. This unique landscape is constantly under threat as sea levels rise and humans hunt illegally and clear trees for firewood. The Himalayan mountains provide a home for some of India's rarest animals and plants. The most exclusive animal is the snow leopard. Bears and black bugs live lower down, and in the northeast, the tiger and horned rhinos can be found. Now we will see about government and the economy of India. India's parliamentary government was inherited from the British. After independence, In 1947, one party, the Congress Party, and one family, the Nehru family, dominated politics in India for decades. Now, however, many parties take part for elected positions. India's economy is growing so fast that experts predict it will soon become one of the world's leading markets. Indians are hard workers, and though many are poorly educated, there are many who are highly trained college graduates. Now we will see the history of India. India's earliest known civilizations arose about 5,000 years ago on the Indus River is what is now Pakistan. Archaeologists uncovered the remains of two huge cities with brick houses, piped waters, and spheres. Nobody knows why, but these cities called Harappa and Mohenjo-daro were abandoned in 17,000 BC. The Aryan people were farmers from Central Asia who arrived in India around 5000 BC. They spoke Sanskrit, one of the world's oldest known languages. The Vedic scriptural writings that form the base of Hindu religion were written during the Aryan region. In the 200-year region of Gupta Emperor, starting in the 4th century AD, arts and crafts and science flourished. During this time, the Indian astronomer Aryabhat determined that the earth revolved around the sun. This was long before the Western world accepted the theory. Beginning in the 16th century, following a series of occupations by Muslims, forced a Mongol leader named Babur founded the Mongol Empire. The Mongols oversaw a golden age of art, literature, and architecture in India between 1527 and 1707. They built roads, mosques, gardens, and enormous tombs, including the Grand Taj Mahal. In the late 14,000s, Europeans arrived in India and began setting up trading companies. In 1757, Britain gained control over most of the country. Unsprings against British rule began in 1856. In 1920, the famous Mahatma Gandhi began non-violent disagreements to push the British out. In 1947, India had independence. So this is all about India. Please like, share and subscribe to this video. Together we learn to grow. Thank you.